Good deals gone bad. So let's say you have a seller and a buyer come to an agreement, they ratify a contract right away. Yeah, it's a good deal and it should be celebrated. Everyone should be happy. Well, you would think so, but sometimes deals can go bad because what happens is a seller will say, "Oh, shoot, we underpriced the house. That's why the buyer offered us this so quickly and we ratified so quickly." And then on the other hand, the buyer is thinking, "Oh no, we overpaid. That's why the seller accepted this offer so quickly." So even though it means you had the meeting of the minds and there was an agreement and it's good, people start to second guess themselves. So later on, when there's a home inspection, it could turn difficult because the buyer is going into the home inspection thinking, "Hey, I already overpaid for this house, so I'm going to ask the seller for a million repairs and ask them to for some seller subsidy to help me with these repairs." And on the other hand, the seller is thinking, "I've already given this house away for free. There's no way I'm going to agree to any of these repairs or give any seller subsidy towards repairs for the buyer." So this is just an example of deals that can go bad and just some of the things that realtors undergo and see. So just a little bit of realtor humor. Hope this was funny. Bye.